Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add month name in pivot table. So let's start this in my Excel and here you can see I have data. So in this data you can see the date column is available but not any month name is showing on this date. Okay, so here I'm going to add the month name column in pivot table. So let's start. So first I'm going to create a pivot table. To create pivot table, you will have to select the full data. Just drag with the mouse and select the entire data. And the second way, simply select the inside the cell and use the Control A, the shortcut key to select the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, have a pivot table option. Just click on this drop down arrow and click on the From Table or Range. And here you can see the one dialog box is open. The pivot table, from table or range. Range here automatically selected, then click on the new worksheets and click on OK. Here the new worksheets is added to create your pivot. With this, the two tabs also added, pivot table analysis and design to pivot table design. Okay, so here I'm going to create a pivot table. So first I just drag the date fields in the rows area. So these are the four area. So here you can just drag your fields and you can create here pivot. So after the add your the rows in date, okay, date fields in rows area, then you can see here the one column is added with the year data. Okay, so here you can see 2023 plus sign affiliation. When I click on the plus sign, see now the quarterly group here showing. When I click on the plus sign in quarter, the monthly group, then date wise. Okay, so these are group created. Okay. So here I want only month name. Okay, the first way in pivot table fields, just drag below, and here have a three option: month's date, quarter's date, year's date. So I just deselect the years and quarters, and here you can see the month is showing, but it's grouped with the date. You can see when you click on the plus sign, the date group is in the month. So I don't want the date, so just untick this option also. And here you can see the month name is added in private tables. Okay. So this is a way you can add the month column in pivot table. Okay, this is the first way, and the second way I show you simply I just delete this first pivot table sheets. And same as like you know, pivot table and create here table. Same as drag here the dates. Okay. And after that, I select the column. So there are the two cells. So I select the two cells and go to the pivot table analysis in group. Click on the group selection. Okay. And here the one dialog box is open. In grouping, you can see the date is automatically selected. Those are available in your data. And here you can see the months, quarter, and year selected. But here I want only month list. So I deselect these quarters and year. So only here the month selection should. Then click on the OK. That's it. Here you can see the month list is ready. Now I just add the amount in my pivot table. And if you want to add the other the filters, and I just custom and then add filters. And that's it. My pivot table is ready. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.